Hi, I'm Kate Forsberg, an engineer at Griptape, and today I wanted to showcase our integration of WAN 2.2 video into Griptape Nodes. As you all may know, WAN 2.1 just got an upgrade and came out with WAN 2.2. We already have WAN 2.1 integrated into Griptape Nodes with text-to-video, image-to-video, and video-to-video, but we've added integration for WAN 2.2. So in order to use it, you need to go to Hugging Face here and download from WAN 2.2 text-to-video A14V diffusers. Once that's downloaded, you can go to Griptape Nodes. Here we have a WAN Text-to-Video node. As you can see, it's just you can select your model from the drop-down here, and then set your prompt, your negative prompt, and begin generating. This is a node that I've already started generating a video on, and I'll show you what the finished result looks like. But here you go. And here we have some fox running through the woods. You can find this here in our advanced nodes library. If you go to, you can search WAN on the left-hand side and find WAN image to video, WAN text to video, WAN video to video, and WAN VACE. So right now we just have 2.2 support on text to video, but we're hoping to integrate image to video and text to video 5B soon. Thank you.